and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's gel box. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. As you can see, it came in a nice plain brown box. We will open it up. And that is what the top looks like. It's decorated, and this is what the inside looks like. So let's see what we get. The first thing is we have this card, and if you want to pause to read it for what it says, there you go. Oh, I see something in a baggie here, and here we have two. Is it two or three? Let's open it up and see. Three rose charms. Anything else in it? No. So we will move that out of the way. So the next thing I see is this, which is Gradient Power Nail Enhancement. So let's open it up. So what it looks like in the box. We take it out. On the bottom there is a bunch of applicators. Put them in there. Open it up, and here are the colours of that. I always get to the gel polishes last. So the next thing I see is this really cool, like brownish glitter. Very nice. I do like me some bling. And here we have, looks like a set of rings. Now, your girl here, she does have sausage fingers. So generally these don't fit unless I can make them bigger. So looking at these, I can't make them bigger. So we will see if we can get them to, oh, so that one just fits on my ring finger. Oh, nearly got that stuck. Oh, that's a bit tight actually. Hello? It's not for you. Get down. Okay, sorry about that. There was somebody at the door. So yeah, here are the rings. Because as I said, I have sausage fingers. So we have a cuticle oil, which you get every month. Smells nice. I go through piles of this stuff. You always get a nail file, and I have to be fair, I say in every one of these videos, love these nail files. These are the best nail files out of all the different brands that I've used. They're just fantastic. And the last but not least, we have our polishes. So let's move the box out of the way, and we will pull them out. So the first one I'm seeing is this red bear, which I believe is called, pronounce that Marfosia. I'm not too sure. So we will grab a swatch stick. Now these swatch sticks I bought are quite large as far as like swatch sticks go, so it won't be skimpy. So there is that red, beautiful. Then the next colour is we have this skin toned one, which is called My Wife, My Witness. So there is that colour. And then the next one we have is a grey. This is called Poker Night. Yeah, if you can hear my puppy whining in the background, I do apologise. It is because, you know, I'm not paying him attention. But he is okay. I promise you. So there's that grey. Lovely. And then the next colour is Family Secrets, which is a kind of brown. And what I like about Britpop is that when they're 20ml bottles, so you're getting kind of twice as much as what you normally get, and they're HEMA free, and you can just see that they just glide on wonderfully. They just glide on like butter. Very, very good at self-leveling and evening it out, so you have a nice lovely smooth surface. And there's that brown. So just to recap what we got our 4 gel colours: the Mufasa, the My Wife, My Witness, Poker Night, and Family Secrets. Ooh, he does not want to stand up, did he? And just to show you again what them colours look like, here we go. Absolutely beautiful. You can see with just one coat the opacity is just absolutely wonderful, and I think these colours go really, really well together. Then we also got our gradient powder, our cuticle oil, a nail file, rings, charms, and some glitter. And yeah, I think for £35, the fact that these gel polishes are 20ml and HEMA free, I think is absolutely great. You've got your money there in the gel polishes, so all this other stuff is technically free. So yeah, an absolute great box. I can't wait to come up with a design using this stuff, so don't forget to keep an eye out for that and hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because your support really means the world to me. My Etsy shop is in my description box below, and I'll see you all in another video, guys.